You said live experience. The second word, the experience, is so crucial that I don't think we talk about enough, and I don't think artists think about enough, is you are creating an experience. And what do you want that experience to be? Because you're essentially performing from the moment you walk in the venue, whether you like it or not, and all eyes are on you. If you haven't worked out that entire set from the moment you step on to the step off, you're dropping the ball.
I'll say this, 60 to 90 minutes, which is generally the timing of a headline performance for an artist, can be one of the longest 60 to 90 minutes ever if you're not performing at a certain level, or it can be the quickest, most amazing 60 to 90 minutes ever if you are doing what you're supposed to do as an artist. There are some people that are not in the industry that will say, well, man, artists make a lot of money and they just get up on stage for an hour or for 90 minutes before. And I'm like, no. They don't just get up on stage. They are entertaining hundreds of thousands of people at one time. And I don't know if you understand, I argue with two people if we have one or two differences. You're dealing with thousands of people, whether you're a doctor, whether you're a lawyer, whether you're a garbage, man, whether you are a firefighter. You are dealing with so many individuals at once. And you are connecting everyone through their love and passion for you as an artist. Do not forget about your artistry and who you are to each and every one of your fans. And I think when you think about that and really think it through, that's when the artists that really shine, and they shine the brightest. It's about authenticity as an artist. It's also, and I mentioned this before, and it's about practicing your craft, not just practicing in the studio, but practicing on that stage and really honing your live experience. Because here's the thing, and I say practice makes perfect. It may not be a great example, but if I have a serious surgery, I don't want the doctor that this is their first surgery. I want the doctor who's been doing this, a few times before they get on and do the surgery for me. And that's the same way with music. I want somebody that really cares about it and has practice and understands what they're giving to the audience and to their audience, because it's their fans. And that's why, it's such a disservice when artists don't take the time to really perfect that, because you're not just doing it for strangers, or you might be doing it for the friend of your fan. But be clear, the majority of the people in that room are there really for you.